Seen this nigga train wreck gamble with $3 billion, nigga. Of course she's gonna put up 400. Duh. I guess I'm broke. Fuck it. I like that narrative better. It's way much safer. My life every time that hey, when I go to the studio today, I'ma find this shit. When I go to the studio today, I'ma find it. We all getting money, it's Friday night, what the fuck is we doing? I like to thank God for my life every time that I'm under influence. I'm drunk as a bitch, I'm high as a bitch, can't nothing get ruined. I'll never be stuck in the spot for the money, I'm constantly moving. I'm moving from left to left, the money go side to side. It's too many beautiful women, don't let them divide the guys.